Hello, welcome to a tutorial about an amazing app and website. Today I'm going to teach you how to use some of the basic functions of Instagram. First, go to the website instagram.com, go to the icon register, and complete the information. Second, fill in the blanks with your information, email, user, password, and finally click on register. Log in with your account. Don't forget to save your passwords. This is the main website. In the upper section, you will find the Instagram icon, the search bar, the icon home, messages, the icon for uploading content. There's also a compass based on your preferences, the notifications, and your account. Now, in the search bar, you can type in, look for accounts of your interest. Each account has a standardized format. You can follow these accounts and their content or unfollow them. You can block or stop certain accounts from seeing your content. Inside of every account, you will find the posts that have been uploaded. Choose any of the posts. Here, you can like it, comment it, send it to your Instagram contacts. And this is the icon for saving these types of posts in your account. Look for any type of account and follow their content. You can read the information of the account in their bio and start following them. Notice that every account has a section for their posts, reels, which are short videos. There is also the section Instagram TV, where you can see longer videos. Finally, there's the section tags, where you can see content that has been tagged to account.
Estas dos palabras en inglés. Tenemos story, que es algo que te cuentan tus amigos, tus familiares, también puede ser un cuento y puede ser verdad o ficción. Mientras que history es lo que pasó en el pasado. Por ejemplo, la historia de las civilizaciones, de las guerras, todo eso hace parte de history y que también ves en el colegio.
Then again, we have the icons for liking, commenting, sharing, and saving posts. Additionally, you can look for content using the hashtag plus a keyword that has the content that you want to see. Be creative and look for accounts with names related to learning, bilingualism, lexis, vocabulary, or topics of your interest. In this symbol, we can upload our own content, whether pictures or videos. This little compass will show you your preferences based on the content that you have liked. I recommend you then just to hit the like button with content related to learning so that the Instagram algorithm show you only this type of content. This is the type of content that will help you learn. Otherwise, it will show you just distractive content. This is the notifications icon. It will show you information about who has started following you and who has tagged you in one of their posts. In this icon, you can change some aspects of your profile picture, your information. You can change the privacy of your account so that content is visible for your followers. Or you can make your content visible for everyone. My account is a content creator account. Therefore, it can't be private. In the section posts, you can see the content that you have uploaded, whether pictures or videos. In the section saved, you will have access to the content that you have saved from other accounts. Finally, in the section tags, you will be able to see the content that other accounts have tagged you in. Tag an account using the simple @ plus the name of the account. If you are a teacher, here you'll be able to see the content in which your students tagged you in, provided their accounts are not private. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have liked. Enjoy learning.